Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can insert or remove an SD card on the Samsung Galaxy A13. To remove the SD card, you need a SIM pin, and with the SIM pin on the left hand side here, insert it into the slot and push all the way in. The SIM tray will eject. Then use your fingernails and pull out the SIM tray. Next, if you already have an SD card in there, you can remove it by simply put your finger below and push it up, and that will allow you to remove the SD card. To insert the SD card, place them into the SIM tray like so, and then insert the SIM tray into the slot. Just be careful, don't push it too hard, otherwise you may snap the plastic SIM tray. And then gently push it all the way in. It kind of gets stuck like this right now, so just be gentle and do not use force, and then kind of like wiggle up and down and then push it all the way in. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.